How to open a Photomath account. First thing you do is head over to your Google Play Store and then simply search for Photomath and download the application. Click on this install option. So this app allows you to solve real-time mathematics problem by taking a picture, and it will easily convert your writing into equations to solve it. So once the application has been installed, you just have to open it up. And the good thing about this app is that it does not require any sign in to use it. So what you could do is you could just go ahead and tap on this done option. Now you can allow access for your camera. And then from here on out, you could just go ahead and simply take a picture of your math problem. So if I tap on the three lines at the top left, it will take me to the settings menu. And if I head over to settings here, as you can see, there is no sign in option, which means that you don't need to actually sign into it. You can easily start using it right away after the download, which makes it a really good and efficient app. You could easily solve your problems without any hassles of login. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.